Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. Boomers, do you feel like you've missed the AI revolution? Don't worry, it's not too late to jump on board. Today, we'll walk you through simple, easy steps to master AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E. Let's dive in and make you an AI pro. Let's get started.
Remember when color TV was the new big thing? Or the microwave? Those were the days when technology seemed to be advancing at a pace we could keep up with. We marveled at the vibrant colors on our screens and the convenience of heating food in mere seconds. We boomers adapted just fine, didn't we? We embraced these innovations and made them a part of our daily lives. It wasn't always easy, but we did it. Now there's AI, and some say it's like magic. It can seem overwhelming at first, but remember, it's just another tool designed to help us. But just like those other gadgets, AI is here to make life easier, not scarier. It's here to assist us in ways we never thought possible, from reminding us of appointments to helping us stay connected with loved ones. Don't worry, we've got this. We've faced new technology before, and come out on top. This is no different. This isn't about becoming computer whizzes overnight, it's about taking small steps and learning at our own pace. It's about picking up a few new tricks at your own pace. There's no rush, and there's no pressure. Think of it as learning a fun new hobby. Just like we took up gardening or painting, we can take up learning about AI and technology. Before you know it, you'll be impressing the grandkids with your tech skills. They'll be amazed at how quickly you've picked it up. No more feeling lost in the digital world. You'll be navigating it with confidence and ease. This is our chance to jump back in and have some fun. Let's embrace this new chapter and make the most of it. From rotary phones to smartphones, we've seen incredible changes. Each one seemed daunting at first, but we figured them out. AI is similar. It's a fancy word for computers learning and doing things we used to think only humans could do. Remember how amazing it was to get instant driving directions from a GPS? AI is like that, but on a much grander scale. Remember when we used to spend hours in libraries for research? Now with AI, information is at our fingertips. AI can help with everything from writing emails to creating artwork. It's about working smarter, not harder. And who doesn't love that? Sure, AI seems complicated, but so did programming the VCR. The good news is you don't need to understand how it works, just how to use it. Think of it like using a microwave. You don't need to be an engineer to heat up leftovers, right? AI is the same. There are user-friendly tools designed for everyone. Imagine having a personal assistant who can answer any question, write stories, or even compose music. That's what AI is like. It can help you stay organized, learn new things, and even reconnect with old friends. It's time to embrace the future and see how AI can enrich our lives. Meet your new AI buddies, ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Canva. These tools are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, making complex tasks simpler and more accessible for everyone. Let's meet some of these AI tools. First up, ChatGPT. This AI-powered chatbot is designed to assist you in a multitude of ways. Think of it as a super smart chatbot. You can ask it to write a poem, explain a complex topic, or even create a grocery list. It's like having a personal assistant who is always ready to help, no matter the task. It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia at your disposal. Need to know something quickly? Just ask ChatGPT and it will provide you with detailed, accurate information in seconds. Next, we have DALL-E, the artistic one. This AI tool is perfect for those who love to create and imagine. Describe any image you can imagine and DALL-E will create it for you. Whether it's a fantastical scene or a realistic portrait, DALL-E brings your ideas to life with stunning accuracy. Want a picture of a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E can do that. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. And finally, there's Canva, our design guru. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to create professional quality designs without the steep learning curve. It can help you create stunning graphics, presentations, and even social media posts. With its user-friendly interface, you can produce high-quality content in no time. No more struggling with complicated design software. Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. Canva makes it fun and easy for anyone to be creative. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease and joy. Getting started with AI is easier than you think. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who's just beginning to explore the digital world, AI offers something for everyone. Most of these tools are available online or as apps for your smartphone or tablet. You don't need to invest in expensive equipment or software. Just use what you already have. Start by exploring their websites. Many AI tools have user-friendly interfaces designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. They often have tutorials and FAQs to guide you. These resources are incredibly helpful for beginners and can answer most of your initial questions. Don't be afraid to click around and experiment. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll become. The beauty of AI is that you can't really break anything. Mistakes are part of the learning process, and each one brings you closer to mastering the tool. Remember, learning something new takes time. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at first, but don't let that discourage you. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Friends, family, and even online communities can be great resources. There are tons of online resources and communities dedicated to helping people learn AI. From forums to video tutorials, the support is endless. And once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. AI can open up new possibilities and make everyday tasks easier. So what are you waiting for? The world of AI is at your fingertips, ready to be explored. Jump in and join the AI revolution. Embrace the future and discover the endless opportunities that AI has to offer.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.